everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to update your fees in bulk. To do this, you're going to click on your service menu and under configuration click on rooms and booking types. You're then going to click on bulk edit booking fees. This feature is helpful and will save you time, allowing you to update all of your booking type fees in bulk. You're going to enter a new date effective, update the fee. You can update the start and end time if applicable. This will automatically submit a new enrolment notice 200D on the new date effective. If you do not wish to submit a new enrolment notice, you can untick the box. If you have discounted fees on multiple days, for example, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, or if the child is booked in for 5 days, you can update those fees also. When you're ready to make those changes, you can click Apply Changes. If you require any further information on updating your fees, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft Customer Success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.